Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great day of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about the attack on Saudi Arabia's oil refineries. Stocks fell on fears that surge in oil prices following the attack on the refineries could slow down global economic growth. So this led to the biggest one-day gain, soaring as much as 19%. And reports say Saudi Arabia may not regain normal production for several weeks. This is bad news because not only will oil prices spike, which may slow down economic growth, but there will be an increase in volatility and uncertainty. So taking a look at how this affected the market today, take a look at Seeking Alpha. So as you can see, the three indices, Dow Jones, S&P 500, and NASDAQ, all were down today. And taking a look at the different sectors, the energy sector was looking at the Vanguard ETFs. Vanguard Energy ETF was up 4.03%. And the next biggest gainer was real estate ETF, up 0.87%. Utilities up 0.01%. And the rest of the sectors were down for the day. So the biggest gainer was the energy sector. So going back to Robinhood, how did this affect some of the largest companies? Let's take a look at ExxonMobil, ticker symbol XOM. So this was up 1.5% by end of day, but at one point was up almost 4% pre-market. But if you look at the past 5 years, it's been trending downwards, down 22.92%, but it spiked up today. And usually, energy stocks have a very high dividend yield, but the capital appreciation is low. Let's take a look at another stock, Chevron. Ticker symbol is CVX. This was up 2.16% by end of day. At one point, was up over 3% pre-market, and past 5-year performance up 1.45%. So again, capital appreciation is not much, but the dividend yield is pretty solid. Last but not least, Royal Dutch Shell, Class A shares, ticker symbol RDS. This was up 1.97%. At one point was up 3.22% pre-market. In past 5 years, down 23.74%. So again, capital appreciation is not much, but the dividend yield is very high. Also looking at a stock screener, Finviz, I sorted this by the top gainers with a market capitalization greater than $10 billion. So as you can see, most of these are basic material, oil and gas companies. Some of these companies include Continental Resources, Apache Corporation, Canadian Natural Resources Limited, Cenovus Energy, Devon Energy Corporation, Marathon Oil Corporation, Hess Corporation, Halliburton Company, Sasol Limited, ConocoPhillips, Diamondback Energy, CNOOC Limited. And if we look at the actual gains, you can see it's up 21.84%, 16%, up 13%, 12%, 11, 10, 9. So overall, the energy sector had very big gains. But even though they had gains, I think this is still bad news because oil prices will spike, and that will be passed on to consumers. And overall, this will slow down the economic growth. So that's all for this video. Comment down below on what are your thoughts on this news. Remember to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.